Hallows Eve is just for fun and games. Well, allow me to explain. One night a year, the spirits come alive to tickle your fears. Let me be clear. Spider web, severed heads, it's the dawning of the dead. Ghosts are spawning, demons calling you from underneath your bed. Halloween, it'll make you run, make you scream, deep into the darkness of the night.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the ukulele fool, foolishly loving Halloween and thinking this is an absolute gem of a song for Halloween. You only need these basic chords in order to play this song, and they're played in this order every time. Let's quickly go over them. A B minor, and if you play a regular ukulele, it's an E minor shape to make the B minor. There's also an F sharp 7, so you have to move everything one string closer to your face. I'll bet you already know how to play the G chord, and then there is a D chord, like that. You can also swap these fingers, or you can bar 3 and play like that. I hope you watched the video that was done for this song. It's animated and very fun, and I want to imitate the sound of the strumming. So we're going to do a pick and strum. I'm going to pick my D string with my thumb and then just kind of unfurl my hand. So to put all together, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you would change the chord. In order to make a clean transition between the G chord and the F sharp 7, I've got a hack with the strum. So you're playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the and of 4. Lift up this hand and get it in position for the F sharp 7. Let's do it in time, slowly. Ready, begin. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F sharp 7, 2, 3, 4. If you're a more advanced player, I would suggest that on the B minor, instead of picking your D string, pick your G string instead. On the G string, you'll have a B sound when you're fingering the B minor. So that's a little advanced tip. If you feel so inclined, you can do a tremolo strum with this on the final B minor. A tremolo is just a very quick, light strum. I use my middle finger because my index finger is just too strong and dominant, so I get a better, light, relaxed sound using my middle finger, which I'm having fingernail issues, so that's why you see the false nail. Each chord in the play along and in the chord chart gets 4 beats. There are times on an F sharp 7 that you have to just do 2 beats of it, and I've color coded that in yellow. Sometimes there's a single down strum on an F sharp 7. Let me be clear. 2, 3. Spider webs, severed heads. So 1 for the down strum, you rest for beats 2 and 3, and then you have a vocal pickup spider, and then you start back on 1. Well, I hope you want to get your very own chord chart of this through my Patreon community. It's only $3 a month and it helps support this channel. I really couldn't do this work without my patrons, so thank you to all my patrons, and thank you so much to Teresa, who introduced me to this song last year. It's a gem. One, two, ready, begin.
Some people think All Hallows Eve is just for fun and games. Well, allow me to explain. One night a year, the spirits come alive to tickle your fears. Let me be clear. Spider webs, severed heads, it's the dawning of the dead. Ghosts are spawning, demons calling you from underneath your bed. Halloween, it'll make you run, make you scream, deep into the darkness of the night. Oh, Halloween, make you live out your worst dreams, deep into the darkness of the night. Ha ha ha, here come the vampires, fiending for your blood. There's no escape, they're here to stay, so let them have their fun. Well, your world is falling down, wicked witches, evil clowns, killer zombies take the town tonight. Spider webs, severed heads, it's the dawning of the dead. Ghosts are spawning, demons calling you from underneath your bed. Halloween, it'll make you run, make you scream, deep into the darkness of the night. Oh, Halloween, make you live out your worst dreams, deep into the darkness of the night. Oh, Halloween, it's Halloween. People panicked, what a sight, terrorized and horrified. Halloween, it's Halloween. I'm only joking, don't be scared. Leave your houses if you dare on Halloween.
I hope you enjoyed that play along. Thanks for staying to the very end. And I have a whole Halloween set list where I do some other fun things like costumes. Take care. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.